So the first thing I'm going to do is right click and do save image as. And I'm going to just call this green. And it defaults to saving as a JPEG. And then once it's downloaded, I'm going to open it up where in Paint here. So then I'm going to go to File, Save As, and then I'm going to go to change it from JPEG to PNG. So then I'm going to hit Save, and then I'm going to minimize this and go into GIMP and go to File, Open, and I'm going to open green.png, not the JPEG file that I originally saved. So I'm going to hit Open. Now there's a white block around this perfume bottle, and I want to get rid of that. So I want to go to Tools, Selection Tools, Fuzzy Select, and then I want to click on the white space around the perfume bottle. So I'm going to click with my mouse. I left click there, and then I'm going to just hit the delete button on my keyboard, and it removes it. All I did was click that white space and removed that white block. But then what I'm going to do is go to File, click on Overwrite, and then go to File again and do Export As. And then I'm going to go to hit Export down here, and then a pop-up will come up. And you're going to hit Replace, and then another pop-up will come up. You want to just make sure that this doesn't have Save Background Color checked. So all this looks good, and I'm going to hit Export. Now that just replaced my file on my desktop computer with this new file. So now what I'm going to do is go over to Canva and upload it so it's on this background. So upload, and then go to green, and see it does not have the white block there. So if I didn't remove that white block, this is what you would see. So it just looks so much cleaner when you do not have a white block behind it. So I hope that helped, guys, and I'm really interested to know what you think and if this was helpful. So let me know in the comments below, and I wish you all much luck and much success. Thanks so much.